Hi! We're looking so forward to seeing you again, and I'm doing a quick video to show you some of the changes we've made at the office so you know what to expect when you come in. We're opening up again on Tuesday, May 26th, so that week it'll be Tuesday and Thursday, the 26th and the 28th, from 10 to 1 and 2 to 6. And then starting in June, we'll be going Mondays and Thursdays, 10 to 1 and 2 to 6. So when you come in, you will be required to have a mask or some type of face covering. I'm not going to wear mine as I'm doing the video, but you will need one to come and get adjusted for your protection and our protection. So when you come in, there's a couple of marks on the floor. You will see either Michelle or Christina or Maddie right there, ready to check you in. And your job, as you come in through the front door, you're going to follow around and come to the corner of the counter where you can check in, make payments, schedule new appointments. So there's a good social distance in between where you're standing and where the computer check-in was. So from there, you're going to go back, walking backwards again because I love walking backwards. So you will either come into the scan room for rescans if you need rescans, or you will come over to the posture grid for a quick posture picture. And then lastly, we've set up an adjusting table in this area with a fresh face cloth on it. I'll be taking care of that every time. And you can get your adjustment and then come straight back out where you had been up to that front counter. So just a few changes. We're only using the one adjusting room, not going further back. And the waiting area is spaced out a little bit more than it used to be. So there's a lot more distance in between the chairs. There's no magazines. We've really taken everything out, including all the toys and books and stuff in the kids area. Again, this is all for our safety, your safety. It's gonna get better. We're gonna get back to what we used to have, but for the time being, I want everyone to know that they are safe, comfortable. Everything here is clean and sanitized, and we are really looking forward to seeing you next week.